What if yung 6 years old na ikaw ay biglang nasa harap mo? Anong sasabihin mo sa kanya? Did we make it? Or, Brody, ano nangyari? Because if my 6 years old self saw me today, maraming tanong yon. At isa na, bakit ka nag-YouTube? Guys, punta tayo sa past. So when I was 6 years old, pangarap kong maging piloto. Simple lang naman, magpalipad ng eroplano, at magpalipad ng eroplano. But of course, no, tulad ninyo o tulad ng karamihan sa atin, hindi natin pinili yung course natin sa college. Hindi ito yung choose your dream. Okay. Ang nangyari sa akin ay, di ba magaling ka magbaklas ng mga bagay-bagay? Well, ito bagay sa'yo. Bagay ka maging mechanical engineering. So yun, nag-take ako ng mechanical engineering, bumagsak, pumasa, nakagraduate, at nakapasa ng board exam. But honestly, I learned to love engineering. Totoo. Minahal ko mechanical engineering because I love solving problems and achieving the impossible. Okay. And it became a big part of my life. But may pangarap pa rin tayo eh. Pangarap natin nung bata pa tayo na lagi natin binabalik-balikan. Hindi natin matanggal sa sistema natin. Kung hindi natin matanggal kung sino talaga tayo. And then one day, isang araw, I was playing with my 3-year-old son. Ang nilalaro namin ay Peppa Pig with her friends na kung saan napupunta. Pupuntang mall, pupuntang galaan, pupuntang park. And meron pa silang private jet. At alam niyo kung sino ang piloto? Ako! I was picking them up and flying them around. I am taking them to the mall. Basically, Peppa Pig Airlines. I am the pilot of the Peppa Pig Airlines. And somehow, that silly little game brought back a dream I had almost forgotten. My 6 years old self wanted to become a pilot. And now, my 3-year-old son reminded me, you belong in the skies, in the Peppa Pig Airlines. Meron din ako ditong flight challenge na lumipad ako from Silang to Boracay. Posible ba yon? Please check out this video. So guys, nabuhay ulit ng pangarap. So I did what any aviation geek would do. I went to Google and searched flight simulator. And that's where things got dangerous. Because nakakita ko ng free simulator, GeoFS. So doon nagsimula ang aking kaadikan sa flight simulator. At naniniwala ako na kaya kong ma-achieve ang aking dream pilot. Ngayon na mechanical engineer na ako at may trabaho, hindi pala ganun yun kadali. At marami tayong mga pinoproblema at priority sa buhay. So, fast forward to now, marami na tayong napuntahang airports. Manila, Cebu, Batanes, Boracay, Southeast Asia, then all over the world, Luzon, Visayas at Mindanao. What started as a game became a hobby, and the hobby became a passion. That little spark became a flame, and eventually a full-blown aviation firestorm. And maybe I shouldn't just dream about becoming a pilot. Maybe I should actually try. And this time, I'm choosing it. Ako na pumili na to at ako na nag-decide na to. So, nakapag-team up ako sa 6 years old na ako and we're going after that dream. First generation pilot. Wala kaming pilot sa pamilya. No aviation legacy. No shortcuts. I'm just a guy with a dream and slightly unhealthy obsession with airplanes and a willingness to work for it. So guys, this channel will be my flight logbook of life. Yung lessons natin, failures and wins, struggles, and every step that brings me closer and closer to the cockpit and then to the skies. Sa mga aking subscriber dito sa Captain Burns channel na nagso-support, maybe you are also an aspiring pilot or an aviation geek o isang tao na may pangarap na gustong-gusto na niyang abutin. If that's you, well, tara! Lipad tayo. This is the Zero to Pilot Challenge. We will work with what we have, starting with what I have, and learning along the way, and finding out just how far this dream can take me. Malay natin, isang araw, pag pinanood natin ulit tong video na to, yung 6 years old na to, I will finally say, yes, bro, we made it. I'm Captain Burns, a first-generation airline pilot in the making. No pilot family, no shortcuts, and working with what I have, just passion, dedication, and perseverance, and a whole lot of grit and healthy obsession about airplanes. One step closer, one flight closer, one dream closer. This is Zero to Pilot. Tara, lipad tayo. This is Captain Burns. I'll see you on the next flight.